Welcome back to Devlight channel, and today I'll do an unboxing and review video for our Lotus vacuum cleaner. Stay tuned! Right, so dito ngayon yung box for the vacuum cleaner. And samahan niyo ko guys as I open our vacuum cleaner. So, talagang adulting na yung stage namin kasi it's the Queen's anniversary and we're celebrating when we got this from, when we bought this pala from the store. So just product itself. We have here the nozzle. Nozzle ba tawag? Anyway, so included inside the box are the manuals and at the same time yung sa warranty, so which is very important when you're buying a product. And I have the tube. The vacuum cleaner itself, this is how the vacuum cleaner looks like. So amazing lang. Also got the rollers. Meron siya included na rollers so that you can mobilize the vacuum cleaner. And another thing, from the salesperson na nakausap namin, we also have this accessory which you can combine together para makapag-create ng longer tube to reach some areas na hindi out of reach. So, na-amaze ako rito nung kita ko rito. So later, I'll try to do a test run of this product. We bought this around 3,700, and I think for us it's a good deal, especially hindi naman siya ganun ka bulky, and at the same time it will cover cleaning some areas or parts of our house. So basically, nag-decide kami ni Dev to buy a vacuum cleaner lalo na for the carpet and other areas that needed some cleaning through vacuum. So I'm just excited to use this, and join me as I do a test run in a while. Alright, so first, let me install muna yung rollers for the vacuum cleaner. So, let me open the lid for this one. So, let's see kung gaano kadali ilagay yung gulong. So, let me So, you just need to press it on here. Ano ba? Ayun. So, kailangan be able to push it thoroughly. So, let me show an example. So itong bar niya rito, medyo mahaba siya. So, kailangan, pagka pinasok mo siya rito, yun, dapat pumasok siya dito sa pinaka tip. Same goes to the other two wheels. press it on towards. So, is installation lang naman so that it's easy to mobilize. Ayun. Oops. So, I think hindi siya lalak. Alright. Let's try. Okay. Alright. So technically, ang purpose na lang is to ensure that your vacuum is in place and meron siyang room. So, nalak na siya dito. I think. So, technically, hindi pala siya nalak talaga. So, yan. And, take note guys, meron dalawang nozzle or holes itong vacuum cleaner. This one, this port, actually port pala, is used for the vacuum side or vacuum purposes. So ito yung ang purpose niya is to vacuum everything in. And the other one, the other port, this area, is used for drying naman. Kapag naglinis ka and medyo basa yung surface na paggagamitan mo, so you need to use this part para mag-dry yung area. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna try to do the vacuum. So in installing the tube, simply kailangan mag-lock in lang siya doon and you're good to go. So yung gulong, hindi pala siya talaga nag-stay na hindi ang purpose niya is just to ensure that your device is mobile siya. Pero hindi siya parang stay in dun sa area. Another cool thing about this, pag binuksan mo siya, so meron siya ritong so this is the machine itself. You have here yung bag, yung trash. So, kung mo siya so this is where your trash supposed to go in kapag ka naglinis ka na. So, the good thing is washable siya. So, pagkatapos mong gamitin, pwede mo siyang para linisan mo siya, you just need to wash it. So, I think dito siya sa area ng nozzle. So, that's how you install the elements on the vacuum. So, I'll be using this in a while. Join me. Thank you for, that's how, may nakalimutan ako. So this is when you open this portion, dito na pupunta, ito yung ng machine. And you just need to ensure that it will go inside. Dito pupunta yung mga dumi para madali mong malinis yung internal parts internally dito mapupunta yung mga dust or yung dumi na binabacuum mo. Okay, see you later as I do the test run. Okay, so before I do the test run, make sure that your bag is sealed properly inside the vacuum. So technically, itong butas na to will serve as your, kailangan mo siyang i-install dun sa area ng vacuum side so that lahat ng papasok na dumi, it will go directly into this area, into this bag. Kasi kapag wala ito, medyo messy yun on your machine. Kasi nga, didiretso na siya dito. And then, once it's installed, you can safely insert the machine here and make sure to lock it properly. So, may lock side naman siya. So right now, so pinakita ko na sa inyo install kanina yung sa hose. So I might be using one of the, I'll try to use this one. So let me try this. Let me just move muna yung ibang mga accessories. So, this is the power button. Okay. Okay. Let me try. Ayun. So, yung mga alright. So, let's check. Check ko lang saglit para lang makita nyo. Bawal continue cleaning later. So, let's check yung mga the vacuum na elements. So, mostly one of our struggle, there are a lot of hair dito sa area ng namin, ng carpet. And it's hard to use kapag kawalis lang yung ginagamit. But technically, yan. Hindi ko na napapakita pero I got inside yung mga dust and even yung mga hair na vacuum. So, it's amazing, no? So, I'm just excited to clean the house later. And hopefully, this video help you decide to check this product. For us, I think this is a good brand and kompleto siya sa packages na kailangan namin in cleaning the area of our house. So, that's for now. See you next time for our next unboxing video and review of the products that we are buying. And at the same time, kindly check our daily devotion vlogs that we try to update every single day. Kung hindi man every single day, try to check our channel because surely we will upload new contents. God bless everyone. See you next time. Devlight channel signing off for now.